Channel 5?
Channel 5.
Nice. Should we go and do a little bit?
Yeah.
So you have gone crazy quiet now.
That's because you've done that thing. It's not.
Yeah, like really quiet. When I had it
Yeah,
on the
you're-
other day in the house, it wasn't anywhere near as bad. I could still hear you quite clearly.
Yeah, you won't be able to hear me very well now.
No, it's like really quiet.
Yeah.
Oh well, it is what it is. The camera should still be picking everything up.
Yeah, it's just you won't be able to hear me.
Again,
You won't be able to hear me.
I would do when you speak like that. But not. We've been speaking normal, haven't we? Because we've had the normal volumes on the intercoms. Now we've just got to speak. Now it's connected to that. It just needs to be a little bit louder. So apparently it's a firmware update that's going to come at some point. But it was fine until we updated it to the most recent firmware. So whatever they've done has fucked it.
Bad.
Right. I'll follow you then.
I don't want to lead. Especially if you can't hear me.
So out of here, left, onto the A57, and we're doing
awesome.
that Snake
I'll follow you.
Pass.
Snake Road. We're all looking at motorbikes.
Mine's still calculating because I turned mine on after yours. Yeah, I even deliberately left the earplugs out, thinking I won't let it get it disturbed by the earplugs. But that's not the case, is it?
No, it's just really, really low.
Is yours low?
Yours is fine. Oh. It's whatever's connected to the Insta.
Right. So you can still hear me nice and loud?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll just have to shout, but it might sound weird on the video.
Really?
Yeah.
Better? So this A57 is what a lot of people refer to as Snake Pass. But for us, me, riding all over the years, when we go up and over the Cat and Fiddle, everyone's always called that Snake Pass to me. So I'd be interested to find out which one's real, Because I think this one, we'll find out in a minute. I think on the sat nav it'll show us it's called Snake Road.
Snake Road.
Hmm. Nice little town, though, isn't it?
Cute.
So the plan for today: Snake Pass, Buxton, Snake Pass, and then motorcycle shopping.
Thought we were going motorcycle shopping now.
You thinking about a possible test ride?
No. Don't you have to book them, you know? Have to get the bikes out, don't we?
Yeah. Okay.
Test ride. Pa.
Cute, isn't it?
Lovely. Lovely. Lovely.
I don't know whether I'm right to say it, but isn't Glossop like a posh little town?
I don't know. Possibly. It's
No, you're
nice,
definitely going to
though.
have to speak louder than that.
It's very quaint.
At least I now know what you were hearing the other day when you kept going, what?
Yeah, absolutely fuck all is what I was hearing the other day.
Instead have really screwed up with this update then, haven't they?
Yep. Dropped a ball.
Because I know a lot of people buy the Instas for the vlogging, and they buy it because you don't have to piss around with lav mics or other mics gaffer taped or glued into your helmet. Give us a clue where you're going, mate. Where you going? Thank you. For this lump here.
Doggo.
Yeah, so they've really screwed up with this update because, like I say, I don't want wires everywhere and mics everywhere. And for the last year, we've been able to ride around with the camera on, recording the whole group, and I can hear everybody perfectly. Whatever
Yeah.
this latest update is, it's totally reduced the volume in my helmet connected to the camera. So you're still hearing me loud, which means I would imagine that the whole group will still hear me loud, but I can't hear, or hardly hear, any of you.
Yeah, it's not great, is it?
No. I mean, the other thing is, I suppose for the recording element of it is, you're having to speak louder now so I can hear it. And if you're having to speak louder, what happens when I come to edit it later on? Is your voice going to be shouting and mine's going to be really quiet? It's just screwing everything up, isn't it?
I don't think it did do that, but if I need to speak louder and I'm shouting, it's going to sound like I'm shouting.
Snake Pass.
Oh, there you go then.
Let's see what it's all about then, because it's the first time we've ridden this.
Is it?
Yeah. Danger snakes, danger sheep.
I'm sure we've been up here before. Maybe in the car.
Dream Bike Factory.
Green bike?
Dream Bike, yeah. Oh, yep.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
Mm.
Jesus.
Okay.
Yeah.